Hey, so this Amazon revenue calculator, it's different to a sales estimator like what you see on the internet and what most calculators are focused on. This is not a per SKU calculator. The focus of this is for you to project and forecast the direction of your business based on what type of lever to adjust in order to get you from A to B. An easy example is, let's say you're doing $1 million in sales, right? And you want to get up to 2 million. What are the different factors that will take you from 1 to 2? Okay, a lot of the times it's not going to be feasible to constantly launch like a million different products, right? Sometimes you're leaving a lot of money on the table by not optimizing existing listings, existing bestsellers, or getting rid of the bad ones, and that could all boost your sales and bottom line. So this is where you play around with the different scenarios and forecast to where you want to be. The default example that you see on the screen is just one where you, and all this information, get it from your business reports. So just go into Seller Central, we have here, go into Seller Central, go into your business reports, and then the information that you need is going to be your sessions, your order item sessions, as well as your average sales order. These three alone, just these three data points will help you forecast. The others is more for your bottom line calculations, like your operating profit, your net profit, etc. But if you just want to forecast your top line, all you need is these three. So from your reports, you get your sessions, order item session percentage, and your average sales order. So starting with, like, say, the default of 10,000, 20% conversion rates and $20 average sales, the sales is going to be a little bit over $500,000. But let's say you're trying to get to 1 million. Okay, what are the different main factors that are going to play into that? Number one, it's going to be sessions. So right now, if you're at 10,000, you know that based on this, if I increase this to 20,000, then that's immediately going to get you up to 1 million. So instead of like trying to figure out a million different things to focus on, all you have to do is understand that, okay, how do I get from 10,000 sessions to 20,000 sessions? Does that mean more ads, more Facebook ads, and getting people from offsite onto Amazon? Doesn't mean improving your listing optimization or getting your SEO and ranking better in the Amazon search terms, right? So whatever it takes to get from 10,000 to 20,000 sessions. But another option is, let's say your conversion rate is currently at 20%, but if you want to get from 20 to, say, it's going to be pretty hard for your account to get to 40% conversion rate across the board. And so going from 20 to 40 may be too much over the top. But what if you can improve that rather than from 20 to, say, even 30, which is very possible, especially if you're doing wholesale or reselling other big brands where your conversion rate is extremely high. That's not going to be a difficult feat, but you can already see a 10% increase in your conversion rate is going to bump you up into the 786,000 category. So increasing conversions, what does that mean? Obviously, optimizing your listings, your images. Doesn't mean creating some videos that your competitors may not have. Again, same thing, getting people from off Amazon onto your listings, like getting from Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever. So how do you increase your conversion rates? And then lastly, reset this back. Let's say your average sales order, and I find this to be sometimes the easiest, where all you have to do is increase the price of your products. The easiest way to do that is make your product increase the perceived value. So if you have cheap, janky, crappy looking cardboard boxes, you could create a much nicer improvement in the packaging, and that could improve your perceived value by like $5 to $10 versus the competitor. So if it's currently at $20, and if you can increase this up to, say, $25, you're already, okay, I don't like that number, so let's do 26. Okay, so you're at 690,000. Okay, so with 690,000 and then a 25%, or what was I saying, 30% in conversion rates, I'm pretty much, and these were just very quick random numbers that I'm playing around with, but I've got the sales value over the next 12 months to be $1 million. Okay, and this came about from going from 20% conversion rates and from $20 to $26. And so from these two alone, I know that this is easily possible where if you have like an account where you have like 20 listings, then it's just going through each listing, re-optimizing, reworking on those listings. You can follow our guide for a really detailed ultimate listing optimization tips and strategies, and do that to improve your conversion rates, and then increase your perceived value, or maybe convert your products or create more higher value bundles or something to get it from $20 over to $26. So you don't have to really go full crazy. You know, some things it's better to go back and look at it on a higher level and then drill down, as opposed to being stuck in the weeds and not really knowing what to do. So this calculator is going to help you forecast, understand what levers to pull in order to take your business from one stage to the other stage that you're trying to get to.